Have you ever wanted to play outside but the rain said plop, plop, plop? Well, one summer evening, a very loud little otter named Bramble had a big idea. She wore a sparkly scarf that swirled with colors, and guess what? It changed patterns whenever she thought something new. Bramble loved being the star of every game. She'd shout, watch me, and do a splashy twirl. Her scarf swirled with bright orange zigzags, the color of look at me. But tonight, something magical would teach Bramble a brand new way to shine. Whoosh! Bramble lived by Moonpebble River with her family, Mama Fern, Papa Thistle, and her quiet little brother Minnow. Minnow was small and shy, with the softest whisper voice. Tonight, summer rain drummed pitter-patter-plop on their cozy den roof. We're stuck inside, Bramble groaned dramatically. Papa Thistle's whiskers wiggled. Why not invent new games? Use the rain. Bramble's scarf popped with excited yellow stars. I'll make the best game ever, she announced, but little Minnow tugged her paw gently. Can I play too? He whispered. Bramble barely heard him. Swoosh! Out they went into the sparkly rain. Bramble invented Puddle Splash Symphony, jump in puddles to make music. Splat, splash, sploosh! Listen to my splashes, Bramble sang loudly. But every time Minnow tried to splash, Bramble jumped louder. Minnow's tiny splishes went unheard. Next came Raindrop Race. Catch raindrops on your nose. Bramble caught 7. I win, she cheered, doing a victory wiggle. Her scarf blazed with triumphant gold. But wait, where was Minnow? He sat alone on a rock, looking at the moon. What would you do? An old silvery otter named Grandmother Dewdrop appeared, her fur sparkling with raindrops. She sat beside Minnow and listened, really listened, as he whispered about his game idea. Then she turned to Bramble. Dear one, your scarf shows what you feel. But have you noticed what Minnow feels? Bramble looked at Minnow, really looked. His eyes were full of unshared ideas. Minnow, Bramble said softly, what's your game? Minnow's face lit up. Moonshadow dancers, he squeaked. We make shapes in the moonlight. Bramble's scarf swirled with gentle listening blue. She was learning. They tried moonshadow dancers, but oh no, Minnow shivered in the cool night air. His teeth went chatter, chatter, chatter. He couldn't dance when he was cold. Bramble looked at her beloved magical scarf. It was her favorite thing. But Minnow needed it more. Bramble took a deep breath. She unwrapped her precious scarf and wrapped it around Minnow, snug as a hug. Here, little brother. The scarf touched Minnow's fur and burst into the happiest pink swirls ever seen. Minnow's joy made it glow even brighter than before. Can you guess what happened next? Everyone joined Moonshadow dancers. Mama, Papa, Grandmother Dewdrop, making silly shadow shapes under the stars. Giggles bounced everywhere, tee-hee-hee. And Bramble discovered something amazing. Watching Minnow shine made her heart feel bigger than any scarf could. After the last giggle splash, Minnow hugged Bramble tight. You listened to me, he whispered. Bramble smiled. Her very first quiet, warm smile. Your ideas are wonderful, Minnow. Sometimes the best thing a performer can do is make room for others to shine too. And so every rainy summer night, the Otter family invented new games together, with everyone's ideas welcome. The magical scarf? It stayed with Minnow, glowing brightest when joy was shared. Because when you share your happiness, it doesn't get smaller. Whoosh! It grows and grows. The end.